Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a holster for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now, this holster was not specifically made for the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but I thought I'd try it to see if it fit and also see how it worked out. The other thing is a bonus, it can carry the S Pen. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Now you can get this holster from Amazon. It's the BEC PLT phone holster for Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now, this was made for the Note 20 Ultra. That's why I got it, because it was tall. All right, and I read that it would also hold the Note 20 with a case on it, large case, right? So I said, okay, this might work. All right, and it has a swivel clip, and it had a spot for a pen holder. So I said, this might be something I could use. And you can see the pictures right there. All right, will it hold the S Pen? Well, I'm gonna show you that, and it did. 1364 on Prime. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, let's take a look at the holster. All right, now the holster, it's got this simulated leather look. All right, and it looks pretty good. Doesn't look, shiny and cheap, but it feels pretty good. Now the holster is kind of big, as you can see, and it's got a magnetic closure there. It'll close up on its own once you put it down. It works pretty well, but it's also got a spot for a card right there as well. All right, you can put one card in there, maybe two, and you got a felt cover inside. It's nice and soft, and it's on both sides, so you put the phone in, the glass is going to be protected and not scratched. You have elastic on the side here. You got a 360-degree swivel clip. You just squeeze this and open it up. It works really well. And you have a built-in slot for the pen, a regular pen. Now, but it works for the S Pen. I'll show you that. Now, I did add this tab right here from Rinky, all right? And I stuck this on. This sticks really well. This holds the S Pen, but it holds it really is tighter than this right here. But both of these work. Now, I put this down here because I wanted to be able to swivel this around, and it still works. And I'll show you that in a minute, right? You can put it any way you want to, but I wanted to put it here so I can still have functionality here, all right? I'm gonna put the Z Fold 3 inside to show you how it looks, okay? Now, I have a pretty slim case on the Z Fold 3, but this will work for a bigger case as well, all right? So when you put it inside, now it's not going to be as wide, but it does fit and it does hold in place, as you can see, and this closes up nicely. You see that? So it works really well, okay? It doesn't slide around or anything because you got the thickness of the phone, the phone folded doesn't make it slide around, but you still got plenty of room there, as you can see. But it works really well, all right? You can put it in, take it out with ease. This goes on pretty easy. I just squeeze the top of this, put it in my belt, and it's good to go, okay? Now, here's the bonus, the S Pen, all right? This will fit in the slot. So you put the S Pen in here, and it stays there. It doesn't slide out. Now, this is not as tight as the one here, but it does work. So if you got the S Pen Pro, that's gonna really work well for that because it's a little bit thicker. But it works really well, as you can see. No problem there. Doesn't shake out or anything, okay? Doesn't shake out or anything like that, all right? Now, this one is tighter, but I have it down lower, and it just holds the S Pen really nice, okay? So either one will work. It's much tighter in here, and it sticks really well too. Yeah, I put a little alcohol on the case before I put it on there, and I stuck this on. It's really stuck there really well. So this is great. You can carry your Fold, especially if you're at work, maybe in a business setting. This looks pretty nice, and it looks bulky right here, but really it wasn't cumbersome when I put it on. Didn't get in my way, anything like that. And I don't wear this all the time, but when I don't want to set my phone down sometime and forget it. So that's why I wanted to get a case, but this works really well. All right, S Pen holder, as well as a nice way to carry your device. It fits right in here really nicely. So you can use both of these slots. You don't really need this one. I didn't know this before I put this one on. I thought it was too big, but it does work. But I'm glad I got this one anyway because it's tight, okay? But nice case for the Z Fold 3. Okay. Okay, so that was a quick look at the holster for the Z Fold 3. Now, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now, if you got any questions, hit me in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.